I'm going to show you how to find a high probability trade using Elliott Wave and the MACD indicator in the euro dollar. Here we have a downtrend, and the first mission is to find if we are under accumulation. The MACD is going to tell us where the accumulation, where the institutional accumulation is starting. And we are going to have the first MACD divergence over here, which tells that the big institutions are starting to build accumulation. Then we have the first divergence, a second divergence, and a third divergence in the process. We can buy here, here, or here, and with the proper money management, we are not going to lose money on these two entries. The price moves up into the wave one, the first wave to the upside. And then we have the second wave in development, that is the actual wave. But have a look how the MACD moves during the second wave. The distance between the zero line and the current MACD is minimal. So that means that the supply is exhausted. And the big guy, the big institutions, they are absorbing this liquidity. We have this as the next buying point, where the target for the week is going to be 114.80, 115.20, and then if everything goes well, we can reach the 116.20. From this area, we're expecting that wave 3. There is an alternative in case that the price makes the last sell-off. If the price moves under the low here and rejects, that's the 114.20, that will be the entry point, and we will wait for second wave, the third wave to break out all the levels. That's a little variation in case that the price grabs the liquidity at the low. This is the way to apply MACD and Elliott Wave, and is something that we talk about every day in our trading room. We go through many markets and we combine Elliott Wave and the MACD and the volume every day.